Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide followers on TikTok, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide followers on TikTok, first open up your TikTok app, and in order to proceed to hide your followers guys, you'll be required to make your account private. So to do that, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on that profile icon, and over here guys at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icons available for us. Tap on that three lined icon, and over here tap on settings and privacy, and over here you can see the privacy option, which is the second one just below the account. Tap on privacy, and over here guys, as you can see, my account is already a private account or private one. You will also be required to tap on, if your account will be like this, and you will be required to tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the private account, and by this way guys your account will be made private and your followers will be hidden on TikTok. And there guys, this is how to hide followers on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.